Peter, does this have a contagion effect here? What does this mean for crypto and the broader markets?
Well, Maria, you know I've been a big critic of crypto for the past 2 years. So it's a sad thing that it's come to this point because, as you said, a lot of people are going to feel pain. However, the good thing about this is maybe we've caught this early and that this might be the first one of many issues like this, and I'm very worried that there will be contagion. Now, the good thing about that, if there is anything good, is that this is not impacting the U.S. banking system. So I do think it will be contained within the crypto hemisphere, if you want to call it that. But there will be more. And I've always said that crypto is, frankly, a hoax. And the good thing about this, another good thing is, finally, we are all starting to look at this with much more scrutiny.